So here are some fun examples of Bixby commands. So if you double click on the home button, hey Bixby, how many steps have I taken today?
You've walked 9,510 steps.
So that was pretty quick. Let's try it again. Hey Bixby, what's the weather? Okay, this one's taken a long time. And sometimes Bixby just doesn't respond. What's the weather?
It is mostly cloudy and 64 degrees right now.
Hey Bixby, set a countdown timer for 1 minute.
Okay, I've started it.
Now there was a bug earlier where you couldn't pause or cancel, and it looks like they've fixed that, so now you can cancel those. Another really cool feature on especially these newer watch faces, if you swipe down and you go into goodnight mode, there's this little moon icon at the very bottom of the screen. It's just so cool. And then of course you can tap on that and quickly turn off night mode. Yeah, so those are some of the Bixby commands. What's the other one I tried earlier that failed? Let's see if we can find another bug here. Hey Bixby. Hey Bixby. Hey Bixby. How many calories did I burn today?
Today, the UV index is low.
Okay, well that didn't work. So some of the commands with Bixby are less effective. Oh, there we go.
The feature is not supported on mobile device paired with.
So the voice is pretty good. Hey Bixby, where am I?
I didn't understand that.
Hey Bixby, are there any Pizza Huts in Provo, Utah?
I didn't understand that.
Weather Channel? Well, that didn't work. So Bixby needs some work, that's for certain. But yeah, how many steps? And let's try flights of stairs. Hey Bixby, how many flights of stairs did I climb today?
That function isn't supported. I'll keep learning to make your experience better.
Okay, that was disappointment. Well, another fun thing that I really like are the sounds. So this does have a speakerphone, and that's one thing I really missed about the Active, that it didn't have a speakerphone. So it's really loud, and then you have your media. Also use the scroll wheel. Notifications. System sounds. And Bixby voice. Well, there you have it. There's some Bixby information, another cool watch face, and the sounds of the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment with any questions.